What's up guys, Norris here with KAGEDMUSCLE Subs. Today I'm going to go over your supplements real quick, how to use them or how I use them. I'm going to start out with our casein. This product's a great product to use before bed or to cook with. Now the reason why you might want to use it before bed is to stay in that anabolic state. It's a sustained release protein for up to 8 hours. I would say probably don't use it after your workout or at any point of the day. We've got two other great proteins you can do that with, like our Kaged. This product has our creatine, betaine, and some digestive enzymes. Great product. This is one I take either in the morning or really at any point of the day. In the morning might be real important just to wake up, get a high protein source for you, and get your day started. And that's our Kaged. Our last one is our whey protein isolate. I personally do 1 or 2 scoops, 28 ounces of water. It tastes great. It's got that quick absorption because it's an isolate. And yeah, it's awesome protein, especially right after your workout. Okay. So the next thing I want to cover is my pre-workout, which obviously is our pre-caged. Okay, 1 scoop, 20 ounces of water. And what I do is I take that with our SR carnosine, 2 tabs with my pre-caged, and that is my pre-workout. Okay. If I'm doing a really intense workout that day, I will use our in-caged as well during my workout with about 20 ounces of water. Okay. Amino Synergy. This is kind of a one-off product. I'd say it's got all your essential amino acids. It might be hard to take as far as your timing or schedule, but I want to emphasize you can take this at any point in the day. Does not matter. Morning, afternoon, night, whatever it is, you can take it. For me, it might just be something I need to start taking in the morning just to get it in. And the other thing I take in the morning just to get it in right away and not have to think about it is my L-carnitine and my Ferrodrox. I do 2 capsules each of those. Okay. Lastly, this little stack here, BCAAs, glutamine, hydrocharged citrulline, and creatine. I mix all in 1 gallon of water first thing of the day, and I drink that throughout the day, obviously to recover and to stay hydrated. Last couple products I'm not currently taking. Pure caffeine. This is a product you can take at any point of the day just to kind of boost your energy levels. And then clean burn. I'm not currently trying to lean out or shred, but if you are, this is our thermogenic product that's going to help you out with those goals. And you take this 2 capsules in the morning and 2 capsules before bed. The great thing is it doesn't have caffeine in it, so it's not going to keep you up if you take it at night. Okay. And I believe that is all our products, you guys. I hope that helps you. If you have any confusion on how to take what or when, that's how I take my supplements. Let us know if you have any questions, concerns. Leave us some reviews on how you like it, and we'll talk to you later.